Hello everyone, I'm in Mumbai in the Dhobi Ghat. Dhobi Ghat is the biggest open air laundry place in Mumbai and in the entire world. Every day 3,000 kilos of laundry is washed by 7,000, more than 7,000 people every day. And they work between its activities, Dhobi Ghat, for 18 to up to 20 hours. The workers are called Dhobi. That's what gives the name to the Ghat, to this location. The location has been in service for more than 125 years, and even during British colonial time. It's an amazing sight. Most of the clothes are commissioned by hospitals and hotels, and so as you see, they are washed in huge amounts. I started playing the video from downstairs, but after walking a while, a man approached me and he was very aggressive. He said that I have to give him 5,000 rupees, which is like $80. An absurdity. I knew he was trying to steal money from me, but I was trapped. He said that this is a private area, which is not. And I felt scared for myself, because I know in this kind of location there can be people that are connected with criminality, with the mafia. And so I decided that the best thing, I had some change in my pocket. Instead of $80, I didn't even count it. Whatever I found in my pocket, I gave it to him. It was like maybe $80, $10. But I'm not happy to lose that $10. But I felt I was not in a safe situation. So I just had to remove myself from this situation. And it's unfortunate because I want to show you guys from the middle of the action, from the middle of the washing, how it is. So most of the people washing by hand, but some people that got a little money, they have machines, washing machines, and even dryers. But otherwise, they're washing by hands. They are very poor people. And but the people that I met were very nice and hospitable. They even offered me a tea until this man came, and as I said, he was very aggressive, very intimidating, so I had to leave. But you can see it from here. It's an amazing view, and he's standing next to these luxury apartments. And hi.
Hello.
Look at the beautiful baby. Wow, so beautiful. What's her name?
Sadaf.
Sadaf, you're so beautiful. So beautiful. 6 months? 6 months, I guess right. So beautiful, Sadaf. You came to watch the Dhobi Ghat? You want to go with Papa? Thank you. Beautiful baby. That made my day. I love babies. And after I was really nervous and stressed out what happened there. But guys, this is the Dhobi Ghat. So if you come, be careful. Maybe there is a ticket to pay, maybe there is not. I'm not sure. But this was my experience. And now I go to see something else in Dubai. This crazy city, crazy beautiful city of Dubai.
Why? What Dubai?
Now I'm going to see something else. Now I'm going to see something else in Mumbai, this crazy beautiful city of Mumbai.